So we're in the bird exhibit, and Ben's got a friend that has decided that probably needs to start picking. Oh, why do you look worried, Ben? Hi, how's it going? And I just had a friend that landed on me. Can you see the bird on me now?
Oh. You're the one that's landing on you guys. The green woods and all of them, sir? It's very sweet.
Are you finding something in my pocket?
No.
Are you finding anything? Yeah, the bird's like deciding that it's gonna dig through my belongings and see what it can find. I promise there's nothing. I wish I had worms, but I don't. These birds are surprisingly friendly. They just immediately just started jumping on us right when we walked in. They landed on Ben, and look, and David's got another one. Hi. I am now feel like that's Woody Woodpecker, and he's finding some great grubs hiding in my satchel.
David, smile.
Can you whistle like that? Isn't he funny?
You call it a bear.
Yeah, you're pretty. And this guy still thinks he's going to find something in my bag. He thinks he's going to... It's Aldo, I promise. Aldo doesn't put grubs in their bags, and nor do I. Are you finding anything? Are you finding anything? I'm glad we came in here. Well, hi. Now you're on my phone. Really? Here.
He's a curious little one.
You are curious. Well, you're just going to copy everything that we say, aren't you? He just said he's a curious one, and he just copied you. Say that again, David. He said he's a curious one. Say it again, David.
How many feathers on his neck?
Molting. This should be replacing those.
Feathers on his neck.
Yeah, see right here where the feathers are on?
Feathers on his neck.
What are you talking about?
Gonna see if I can get him to repeat it. He said he's a curious one.
You're a curious one.
He's a curious one. Does this one repeat almost everything?
No, she's got a few things that are kind of garbled, so it kind of hears like what you want it to be.
He just said it was a curious one, and he almost sounded exactly the same.
That's what you were trying to say? Yeah. Can you tell them your name? It's not a name. What's your name? Arturo. Very good.
Impressive. You make lots of sounds with your little mouth.
That one on your shoulder too. I didn't see that one hanging out there.
Hi.
That's surprising. Those ones usually come down to people they don't know. Not unheard of, but just unusual. Oh, you want one of those too, huh? Okay. Make it more your size.
Nothing like a little bit of tail in your mouth.
There we go. You got it. Try again.